trunk, I open up, I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My hoe got talent, right? Whole squad ran do that shit, yikes.
Guys, it's the Indians with another new video. Okay, I hope all of you have watched my last video. It was about my YouTube channel's plan, and I hope you like my plan. I'm not sure. Okay, give on the comment section have you liked or not, or message me on my Instagram. Then let's start this video. Okay, you have to see the title. It is about the copyright, how to use copyrighted songs. So I'm not going to show you on internet, but on this text document right here. Okay, wait a minute, I'm going to show you. Okay, go to YouTube and search any song you want, selecting Iron Walker. So this is not a copyrighted song, you will not get this song. Okay, the trick is that, sorry guys. Okay, the trick is that copy this one right here, then copy this and paste this in the description of your video. After pasting that, you can go click enter and goes down. After going the type I have I didn't sorry, then type this song which doesn't have copyright isn't posted for any type of profits, then hit enter and upload a video. I'm not sure, but I have got this working for my channel. I hope it will also work for you. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my video. Leave a like, share, subscribe, and also dislike. As I said in my last video, you can dislike this, but give me the reason why you have disliked it on the comment section down below, so I can do anything which is to improve my the problem why you have disliked. Guys, peace.